I have the voltmeter on this setting here. I'm going to show you. When you touch it together, it beeps to tell you that there's a connection. I'm going to show you how you can test the fuse. Here's the old fuse I removed from the board. Here's the one of the new fuses I got. Let's do a test. See, when you touch these together, it beeps. Watch. Touch this. See, nothing happens. Okay, now touch the new one. See, it beeps. This is a test you can do on these ceramic fuses because you can't see inside. The fuse is bad. So this is probably the problem. I'm gonna put a new fuse on the board. It's hard to kind of show you what I'm doing with this board, but I'm gonna try. I try to melt this solder so I can put the fuse in. Actually, you know what? First I'm gonna try to do it from the top. See that? Went too far though, I have to bring it back up a little bit. Because I have to carefully bend it. Be careful because you can burn yourself doing this because these objects get very hot. Now I'm going to melt the other joint. Okay, what I should have did was bend the wires before I put this in. It would have made it easier. Either way, it works. You can get this in there. You want to cut off the excess leads, and then you want to reflow the joints because the soldering can crack when you cut these wires.